This video is brought to you by AI Hub. Understanding data types. A beginner's guide. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the different types of data you encounter in your programming or your data analysis work? Well, there are various types of data: integer, float, string, and Boolean. Let's start with integers. An integer is a numerical value in a number system that is not fractional. They are positive and negative counting numbers including 0. Float. A float is a data type composed of a number that is not an integer because it includes a fraction represented in decimal format. Boolean. A Boolean is a data type that has a value of true or false. String. String is a data type for immutable ordered sequences of characters as letters, numbers, spaces, and symbols. In programming, data types are essential because they dictate how data is stored and manipulated. Let's take a look at an example of how data types work in code. In this code, we're declaring a variable called age and assigning it a value of 37. Because age is an integer, we can perform mathematical operations on it, such as addition or subtraction. For example, if Sam is elder by 10 years, we could add a variable called Sam and assign it to age plus 10, where 10 is added to our age, getting a result of 47. Now, let's take a look at a variable that is declared as a float. As mentioned before, floats are used to represent numbers with decimals. In this code, original price is assigned a value of 45.7, which is a decimal number. We can also perform mathematical operations on floats, just like we did with integers. So deducting 3 from the original price will give a result of the final price 42.7 after discount. Moving on to Booleans, which are used to represent either true or false values. In this code, we're using a Boolean to check inequality between two values. And the result is either true or false. Finally, let's talk about strings, which are used to represent text. We can manipulate strings in various ways, such as concatenating them with other strings or converting them to uppercase or lowercase. In this code, we're declaring two variables, assigning one with first name and the other with last name. We can then concatenate them and assigning a new variable called name. We may even convert it into uppercase if required. And there you have it. By understanding the different data types and how they work, you'll be better equipped to write code and analyze data effectively. Integer, float, Boolean, and string. Keep these 4 data types in mind, and happy coding. AI Hub. Creating tomorrow's AI today.